Hey guys! We are unboxing the brand new City Mini 2. We got a new stroller for our upcoming Disney trip. So to recap the stroller drama, shall we recap the stroller drama?
Yes, we shall.
Okay, so we were looking for a lightweight stroller under 20 pounds to take to Disney. I love my Up-A-Baby cruise. We wanted an Up-A-Baby. We went with the Up-A-Baby g-luxe. We did the unboxing. You can watch the videos, I'll link them below, but basically I didn't like it. My feet were hitting the wheels and there was no peekaboo window and so yeah. So
even my legs were hitting the wheel, so it definitely has some design problems.
it was just too upright and narrow. So you can watch that video. So I am so excited. We got it in slate, the City Mini 2. And I was gonna go with the old one. They had a red one, and then I was thinking like Landon wears a lot of pink, so that would clash. It was only $180, but this one has the footrest that kicks out, and this is gonna be our travel stroller. So I really want her to be comfortable napping, so that's why I went with a new one. And if you get it from Bye Bye Baby, they have that 20% off coupon. So it ended up being like low 200s, which I think is a great deal. Baby is what you're gonna be sleeping in twice a day for Disney. I'm so excited. Ouch! She's been pinching me today. This is like on my arm. I'm excited. Lightweight,
Very
compact,
exciting.
three-wheel design, one-handed compact fold. Customize your ride. Oh, the adjustable calf support. That's what interested me.
There's the wheels.
Full coverage UV50 canopy with peekaboo windows, plural. The reviews, I don't know if the new one had it, but the old one, the peekaboo window had a Velcro close. So they just said like if you have a sleeping baby, the Velcro. It's kind of loud.
The wheels are pretty big for
They are.
like a rough terrain on a compact stroller. It's quite a bit larger than you usually get.
I was surprised how small the box is.
Yeah, that's a good sign too. Baby jogger, City Mini 2, step 1.
It smells very plasticky. I knew.
I like the color.
Like a Barbie. Canopy.
Some kind of accessory.
Oh, this is the adapter. Or I think with this model, which, you know, obviously with her, that's not an issue. But with this model, you can put her a car seat in it. It is very big, especially compared to like the g-luxe and the other
It is
lightweight
big, but it
lines.
folds up small. So
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Okay. It's kind of like a lock to keep it straight.
Yeah, she
sure what
showed
that
me that in the
does.
store, and she didn't really have an answer for why.
Yeah, it seems like a really kind of an odd.
It was something about the terrain, like if rocks or something, so it doesn't skip around. She said something like that.
We also have these little
you
wheels.
just- Are you winging it, or are you?
No, I've got the instructions
Ah.
right there. Yeah. Is Daddy winging it just maybe a little bit?
Let's see what the Pico.
You can.
Let's do our own unboxing of the canopy, Linda.
You know what's interesting? These wheels are easily removable too. Not sure.
For like on an airplane, if you want to pack it
I
up.
don't know. So there's like a clip here, which is, I guess, nice. I'm not sure what you would use that for often. Like why?
Probably to pack it up.
Maybe.
It's probably what breaks, right? First, I would think. When like the baggage handlers throw things around.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe you can buy new wheels too.
Velcro.
Is the next piece we go on to
What is?
the peekaboo window.
The shade. No shade.
It looks like that's got a couple positions.
I do love this so much.
It doesn't really say why. I guess Maybe that'll become apparent.
Just like us.
Yeah. Party hard.
Fabric seems very thin, like tent-like. Oh, I forgot about this. This rolls up for ventilation. It's great for Disney.
Oh, it is nice, yeah. All right, let's bring it down.
Read the instructions for Daddy. Tell him what's the next step. Say the next step is squeeze this.
Oh, that's what holds it up.
See how much better the g-luxe was on that? So
Yeah.
that way you can adjust it. And then when it's down, this rolls up like a tent window so she gets ventilation.
Yeah. It's very simple, and there's something to be said for simple also.
Yeah.
There's just less to go wrong.
Why is this zip on and off?
It just attaches it to the canopy.
Oh, it's not like a useful thing.
I don't think so.
With the Velcro.
And that's what people said was a little loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, could see that.
Baby's sleeping. But it rolls up with the little like tent knob. Baby's teething, I don't know how. Honey. You're so happy.
It's like, this isn't so bad. There it is, the baby jogger.
And I'm not touching the wheel. And I can see my baby.
We're gonna lay you back.
She's not gonna like this.
You might not like this. You might feel like...
Hi!
So there's the leg. When you're tired,
She's freaking out.
when you're tired, you're gonna like this.
All right, baby, I'll sit you up. That's gonna be awesome, especially when she's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When she's older too. And
She's kind of like, oh, this isn't so bad. I mean, like, I could get used to laying here and napping.
there you go.
It's not
Not
so
hard to
bad.
do with her in it.
Okay. It looks like it's got a decent amount of room underneath, you know, for a small stroller.
And one of
It's-
the
it's
features
not as-
they said is you can access it from here, but you really can't.
Yeah. Like the g-luxe maybe had a little more room under there, but not much. It's about the same.
I think this is actually more room.
The brake's a little weird. You gotta
Yeah.
pull up. And off you go.
Very maneuverable.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna fold it up.
And your feet aren't hitting it.
No. It is kind of short for you. I mean, you're a very tall man, but
Yeah, but all the compact strollers are a little bit short for me.
yeah.
I'll tell you what, the big wheels really help off-road though.
Yeah, those are big. Her hands in the air. She's jiggling her. She's having fun though. You want to go off-road?
Like these wheels are, I'd say it's...
Is that all the way up? See if she goes all more up. Do you like it?
You're not all the way yet.
There you go, that's better. Because I like to give her like snacks when we go on walks. It's not difficult.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think that needs to be up, right? To close it.
I think that's good.
And it says,
I'm not sure about the front wheel. The
see,
front
it
wheel.
says fold here.
Uh-huh.
Pull to fold.
Yeah, I think that front wheel needs to be unlocked when you do it.
Oh, so it turns.
So it turns and gets out of the way.
So that collapses. Okay.
Yeah, so try that again. That's still doesn't explain why the lock is necessarily there yet. I guess if you're on a hill with a 3-wheel stroller, it could roll down a hill. Or turn
You
on,
unlock it.
pull it up. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
It could
Take
turn on you on a hill, maybe, I don't know.
Take 2. Ah.
Beautiful and quick.
And it stands up, I think.
If you move the wheel, I had it sort of standing up.
I thought it stood up.
When I folded it, it did, but
But it is really light.
it is very light.
It's like, what, 18 pounds or something, I think it's that.
Yeah, like if you did it with that wheel like that. Now it stands up.
Oh. So grab the handle on the other side.
Oh, no, I did this. I held it up.
Okay. So that commences our baby jogger. Do you give it a thumbs up?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Say bye, Landon. Say bye. Say bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.